Hey yo, it's your boy Darker Honest, and today we're gonna be coming at you with an easy, simple tutorial. I know you see the material. I bring it to you every week. If anything, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for a baddie, and share, because sharing is the only type of caring we like in this household. You did. If anything, this is going to be the set that we're going to be doing today. A nice, clear, cute set with a little French tip escalate to it. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and get into it, y'all. Let's go. All right, y'all. Today we're going to be doing a very simple nail. I decided I wanted to do this color because I haven't used this color yet. So let's go ahead and dive in. So first I'm going to be going in with the Madam Glam Lucky Charms, and I'm going to be using that to outline the nails. If you don't know, I do have a partnership with Madam Glam, which means your boy has a discount code. You can use my discount code BAM, Darker Hunters 35, to get 35% off of your order of $15 and higher. So yes, guys, they have some really quality polishes, so I think you guys should try them out. Put my lamp down a little. So I'm just gonna be lining the sides. This is a pretty simple nail design. Put it down the sides and then straight atop. Bam. See how easy that is? I wanted to do it on clear, so that's why I got some yallllll nails on right now. Bam. And that's just the easy part. I'll do that for all of them. So how you guys been? How is everything going? I hope you guys are having a marvelous time. If I'm not mistaken, Easter just passed. I am pre-recording this video. So this this video is being recorded in March, but I believe it's going to be posted in April. So yes, y'all, I'm very ahead of my schedule right now. Very ahead of my schedule. But ain't nothing wrong with that. Hope you guys had a happy Easter if that's the month that already passed. Other than that, topic of the video, I don't really have one. I never have plans for topics for nail portions. I really don't. Sometimes I just be wanting to shoot the shit and just record, to be honest. Oh Lord, I didn't waste my drink. I didn't waste my drink, y'all. Oh yeah, I was over here sipping some Moscato. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me get this up real quick. All right, y'all. So I done cleaned up my mess, and I also went ahead and cured these. And I did a top coat using the Madam Glam No Wipe top coat. And now we're going to get into the rhinestones. So I got these rhinestones here. These rhinestones, I forgot what company it is, but this is how the set comes. I did a review on these like a while back. I'm going to be using this color right here since it matches. So let's go ahead and pop those bad boy open. I'm going to be using the Macart rhinestone glue. This is my, go-to glue, like my favorite glue that I use of all time. Especially for rhinestones. This is the only glue I use. I stand by this glue. I even used to use this glue to put on my press-ons, my yallll at one point too. It's a really good glue. So I'm just, I just shook the camera, Lord. Don't do that. I'm just putting it across the V-line like that. Where the nail Where you can see the nail starts, that's where I'm putting the rhinestones. So yeah, let's go ahead and bring that on down. And we're just gonna start putting the rhinestones on. But yes, usually I just like to just come on here and just talk. I don't really have no topics for nails. Usually I have planned topics and stuff for like makeup. That's where I get my topics from. I need to start coming up with topics for nails too, so that I can have something to talk about. Yeah, I thought I was recording. I guess I wasn't. I went ahead and I cured it and I put a top coat on. A glossy top coat. Yeah. And now we're adding rhinestones, darling. My bad. I thought I turned the camera on. I thought I turned the camera on. Yeah, I went in with my McCart rhinestone glue. That's my favorite glue. I stand by that glue, like for real, for real. Like that's my favorite rhinestone glue to use. Ever. Ever. Ever, 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 ever. But yeah, usually I just like to shoot the shit up on these videos. I don't really have topics for these ones. I need to start having topics. At least something nail related I could do. Something like that. Something like DEET. You know, a nice little topics to discuss. Something for the girls. Something for the gays. Something for the thems. Something for the days. You heard me? You heard me? Yeah, but I don't know. I forgot the name of these. The company. I know I got these rhinestones from Amazon, but I don't remember the name of the company that I got them for. I got these so long ago. But these rhinestones are pretty decent. They do have the shiny cover on it, which I don't like about them. They're not like a true rhinestone, but it's fine. They still give me what I needed to give. I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 60, and then bam, that's pretty much the nail design. That's pretty much why it's so hard for me to come up with topics, because nails are really quick. Nails are quicker to do than makeup, so I'll be working on that though. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and pass y'all on, and we're going to get into the final reveal. All right, y'all. The sun is setting. The time has come for you guys to sashay away, and y'all got stuff to do, okay? It's Friday. Y'all just got off y'all jobs. I know y'all ready to go have some fun. Bam. So this is the final product. This set came out really cute, y'all. It's like a really plain and simple set to do. I just love it, love it, love it. If anything, thank you guys for stopping by. I hope my content is giving what it needs to give on the day that it was given, because I always try to give y'all something that you can feel. If anything, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for a baddie, yaddy, yaddy, and share, because sharing is caring. I know that's the only type of caring we like in this household. You dig? If anything, I'm not going to hold y'all up, because I know y'all got stuff to do. I got stuff to do. Period, point blank. So until next time, peace. Nah.